Welcome to my channel Momal Studio. Thoughtful tone. 1. Ask about their work. 2. Listen actively when they're talking.
3. Ask about the worst time of their life.
4. Express gratitude for them. 5. Compliment them.
6. Smile and make eye contact.
7. Listen more than you talk.
8. Take a walk with them while talking. If they're not in a hurry to leave, also offer coffee or tea. 9. Make them laugh and feel appreciated by you.
Let them know how much you like this conversation together.
10. Follow up with an email/text message thanking them for the time and telling them it was really fun to have this conversation with you.
Thanks for watching.